In today's video, we show you how to smoothly run a YouTube studio.
You want to show them behind the curtain of what it takes to run this place.
Running this place.
The problem is, well, the thing I feel bad about is when we show everyone how high octane and high fast paced this place is, they'll be put off doing it themselves.
Don't be put off. What we'll do, we'll ramp it down a notch. Just the basics. So no accounts.
No. God. We don't do accounts anyway.
No shouting at clients, you know, you've got to wind that back.
I don't shout at clients.
Not in this video. What we're gonna do is show you just the smooth parts of running a YouTube studio.
Hopefully to inspire you, you know, or put you off. If you're lazy, it will put you off. So what you want me to do is overlay some of you doing your best work.
Yeah, so I say things like...
Okay, I'll run it now and you narrate it.
The absolute key to running any business, and it's no different with your YouTube studio, is to hustle. Now, the reality of the hustle is if you're putting in the work, if you're out there, you're storyboarding, you're editing, you're spending your time on the creative skills that you've mastered, it will show through in your finished product. You're proud of the work that you turn out. So, harness those skills. All of those hours of storyboarding, the creative skills that you've harnessed, ready for this project, you've executed it, you've lit your shots well, and now you've got your finished video. I guess that would have been all right, would it?
Yeah. I mean, showed your best work.
Cool.
So on to part 2, which for me is about being original.
Okay, wait. I'll sort this out for you.
Right, okay.
Yeah, I've got an idea in mind now.
Yeah.
Of how I'll edit that section.
Okay, just want shots of me, like reading my favourite books.
Yeah.
Poetry.
Oh yeah.
Looking at a vista.
Yeah.
And you know, doing the creative thinking that I do all the time to come up with our 100% original ideas. It's about creating inspiration, and for me, I need to feel inspired, and to do that, I'll read some of my favourite literature.
What?
I'll read some poetry.
B-roll ideas.
I'll maybe watch a classic movie.
Shots of your iPhone. You just don't realize it yet. You guys, on the next video.
All these things for me, all these art forms help me be original and stay 100% original. He'd be really good one to rip off.
This video,
just, not the old shit, but the Mark Holtz. No one knows who he is, it's fine, they won't know. You know, if you copy on YouTube, people find you out straight away, so have your own voice. Yeah, just a watermelon behind his head. Yeah. I think we put that watermelon light behind your head, look just like him. And say things in your own way.
Canon FD 50mm f1.2 L series lens.
Boring. Right. We know not what to do.
When you want to run a business smoothly, it's essential that you're organised. In order to work the most effectively, you want to keep an organised studio. Know where your batteries are, keep them charged. You finished a job, put things back in their place. There's a famous saying, everything has a place and a place for everything. Told you we'd find it.
The final most important point of running a YouTube studio is obviously we're on YouTube as a platform.
We're a big deal.
Lots of fans, huge traffic, we get all the views. We get, people phone us up saying, Ingaf, how do you get all the views? And we go, we just do. When you're putting out a lot of content, for me, the big thing is to always think big picture, long term. Don't obsess about the numbers.
What the f
Oh dear. What's happened?
We lost a subscriber from that video. Not obsessing about the numbers is a big deal. You have to think long term, and it's easy to get disheartened. Sometimes you'll put a video out that you've spent weeks on and only get 50 views, and that can feel upsetting. Oh, and a thumbs down, but it's the same sake. I don't know why they even have a thumbs down on YouTube. What's the point? Thing to remember is that YouTube is evergreen. That content will be there forever. So short term, don't worry about the odd thumbs down or maybe even losing one subscriber. It won't affect you long term if you keep going. That edit was garbage. You know, I think of your comment, thumbs down. How'd you like that? Straight back at you.
Good job, AJ. I mean, you spent time with us, and for that, you know, stop thanking us. I don't want to read in the comments, thanks for sharing your time with us yet again. It's fine. It's fine.
We do this out of the goodness on our heart.
Yeah.
And the amount of money we get.
Affiliate links. Have we got any for this video?
No.
Damn it! Oh!
Lint rollers, they're useful for filming, and you can pick yours up below on our Amazon affiliate link. Get rid of lint from black clothing. And noses and faces.
I haven't got any cat hair.
Oh, sorry.
If you want to make your YouTube videos better, make sure you hit the link below. Get one of those cat hair removal things off of Amazon so we can make it free.
I mean, so far it's not worked out very well. We've got about 20p, but think long term. Don't obsess about the numbers.
Yep. We're in it for the long
Just
haul.
if you could buy the odd thing, that would
help.
Yeah. Or sign up to our Patreon, the Watermelon Squad, our monthly filmmakers club.
Yeah, it's just the Filmmakers Club.
The Watermelon Squad, where you get access to our filmmaking assets, tutorials, help and advice, such as our copyright-free music library, available for you to use in any of your videos. Royalty-free. All you got to do is be a member of our Patreon.
Yeah.
The Watermelon Squad.
So that's been our Wednesday video, another useful creators video. And if you like that sort of thing, or editing tutorials, then tune in again on Friday where we'll show you his face, my face, 10 or so minutes, and yeah.
You'll learn something. So till then.
Oh, you got a line? Auto cue. Guys. Cheers.
That crew's so slow this week.
Okay. Enter, hit it. Okay, there we go. Okay. Right, down the camera.
So that's been our Wednesday video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.
Seriously. Dave, what the hell was that?
I've told you, I read it as it's written.
Okay, enter Dave.
That's been our Wednesday video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next.
Just forget it. Cheers.
Oh, now it works. Gods.